Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Toyota Fortuner stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to durability, performance, and innovation in the SUV segment. Known for its rugged capabilities and luxurious features, the new Fortuner continues to impress both off-road enthusiasts and urban drivers alike. With a bold design, advanced technology, and enhanced safety features, the 2025 model raises the bar for SUVs in its class. The exterior of the Fortuner 2025 boasts a commanding presence, featuring a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular contours that exude confidence. Its robust stance is complemented by alloy wheels and a high ground clearance, making it a perfect choice for both city streets and challenging terrains. The rear is equally impressive, with modern taillights and a sporty bumper adding to its appeal. Under the hood, the Fortuner offers a choice of powerful engines, including an efficient turbo diesel option and a refined petrol variant. With improved fuel efficiency and a responsive transmission system, the SUV delivers a smooth and dynamic driving experience. The all-wheel drive system ensures superior performance on uneven roads, while the multi-terrain modes provide exceptional control on various surfaces. Inside, the Fortuner combines sophistication with practicality. The spacious cabin features premium upholstery, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. Connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging enhance convenience, while the multi-zone climate control ensures comfort for all passengers. The third-row seating is versatile, offering ample cargo space when folded down. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Fortuner. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, it includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Additional features like a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert provide peace of mind for drivers. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is a perfect blend of power, luxury, and reliability. Whether navigating rugged trails or urban roads, this SUV is designed to deliver unmatched performance and style. It's an ideal choice for those seeking adventure without compromising comfort.